Hi everyone. Hi everybody. Today I'm Dillon and this is Derek, and we're gonna do a top speed on our 2014 KTM SX Mini. This phone has an app where it can check how fast I'm going.
Okay, all right, here we go. Can you do it with your gloves on?
It turned off the app.
It should be saved on there. Hold on.
Did you see me wheelie? Yeah, he wheelied. Yeah, because I'm going.
All right, here. Oh geez, I can't see
You
that.
went wheelie. Is that your first wheelie? No.
Max speed 32.82 miles per hour.
On that?
That is your max speed. So at that, he was about pulling wheelies, correct? Yes?
I wheelie.
Okay, Dylan, we're going to do a round 2, okay? We're going to see what we get the second time.
Okay.
We've reset the phone. Gonna stick it back in his pocket. All right, we'll do the best out of 2 and see if we get the same results or different. All right, Dylan, the moment of truth. See if we get different results this time.
Can't get out.
We just put it in a chest protector. You know which one it is? Yep. All right. Can you read top speed?
34.16.
34 miles an hour, just short of 35. That's pretty close to what the other one was. Okay. Hold on, let me get her in there. So yeah, 34.6.
16.
Yep. Right.
Well, this is the end of the top speed video. He did the last part before we had to leave. I did it first, he did it second. Did you like the ride? He liked it. Was it fast?
Yes. Sometimes you just gotta twist it.